Hi guys, we are back at the Glam Studio with Ruchita, your makeup expert from MyGlamm, and today I'm going to show you guys a monotone brown makeup look. So brown being a color which goes very well for every Indian skin tone, I'm going to show you a look today and I hope you guys will like the look, so stay tuned. If you guys love this brown monotone makeup look, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to MyGlamm's YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more such videos.